Welcome to MyProjectBazaar.com. This is our project title: Predicting Location-Based Sequential Purchasing Events by using Spatial, Temporal and Social patterns. This is our project abstract. The community direction on social networks is typically aims to cluster the users into different communities based on their social links. The increasing popularity of location-based social networks offers the opportunity to augment these social links with spatial information for detecting location-centric communities that frequently visit the similar places. Such as location-centric communities are important to companies for their location-based and mobile advertising efforts. Due to research on social networks, mobile commerce has received a lot of interest. Mining and prediction of users' mobile commerce behavior, such as their movements and purchase transactions, and location-based sequential event prediction is an interesting problem with many real-world applications. For example, knowing where the people will use the certain kinds of service would enable the development of robust anticipated systems. A key to this problem is in understanding of nature of the process from which sequential data arises. Usually human behavior exhibits distinct spatial, temporal and social patterns. The authors examine three kinds of patterns extracted from the sequential purchasing events and propose a novel model that captures the contextual dependency in spatial sequences, customers' temporal preference, and social influence via implicit network. The system we propose a probabilistic predictive model that incorporates spatial, temporal, and social interaction features extracted from the purchasing events. The proposed probabilistic model is a combination of three components. This is our data flow diagram. This is our data flow diagram. In the data flow diagram, we have a smart card transaction database. The database has been collected by the smart card transaction datasets, and the three phases are available. These are spatial prediction, temporal prediction and social prediction. The smart card transaction database has been given to the input for the spatial prediction. In the spatial prediction, it has been validate the location of the user using the smart card transaction database. Then they extract the location visited from the transaction. Then the output of the extracted location visited from the transaction base is given to the input for the temporal prediction and social prediction. In the phase of temporal prediction, get the person's temporal preferences by counting the number of occurrences. Then the social pattern, get the person's temporal preference by counting has been predict the friends and neighbors by using the social pattern. This output has been given to the input for the proactive assistant. The proactive assistant given the suggestion for the purchasing the products and also giving the guidance for the traffic analysis. This is all about our data flow diagram. Let's see our execution of our project. This is our project predicting location-based sequential purchasing events by using spatial, temporal and social patterns. This is our project window. In our first window, you have to import the dataset of our smart card transaction database. So let's browse our smart card transaction database. Now just import the dataset for the smart card transaction dataset. This is our dataset of smart card transaction database. So just import the datasets. So dataset has been successfully imported to the database. Now process has been started. The file name of the data has been dataset smartcard.xls. The file type of the dataset has been .xls, and the file path is this is the file path of our dataset, and the file size of the dataset is 244 KB. This is our overall details about the datasets. Now import the datasets to the project. The time will be taken to the importing the project into the database. This is our overall overview. So imported dataset has been previewed in the next window. So let's I have been selecting the dataset. The name of the person has been David and gender has been male. This is our card number and card type. Card type is American Express and the product name has been purchasing product name has been car and the product data has been automobiles. The purchasing date has been 8/11/2017. So shopping frequency has been the process of the shopping frequency of the person is once. The price of the car is 48 lakh. The shop of is live vision. The address is Chichana. So next we have to predict the user by the shop. Selecting the product category and selecting the name. We have to filter out the users by this using Spatial method. Now selecting the name of the card holder is Bruce and the shops has been purchased at the these are the overall shops has been purchased by the person. The location of the purchasing is these are the overall the location about the these are the overall the location for the purchasing places and this is the data purchasing events. So next we have to predict the location. So Bruce has been continuously based. The user of Bruce has been purchased at the shopping cart. The user Bruce has been purchased these places. So now we have to recommendation system. This is our recommendation system for autonomous traffic control. So the overall the traffic control is in Sunday traffic has been more traffic and it has the more traffic play. This service is the shop for the users. The users has been more used to this service. So this is a particular social influence. Using the social influence, the friends and neighbors has been predicted. So these are the output of our project. Thank you.